Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to back to Learn and Grow with Ali. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's class, I will show you how to install Python in your computer and how to set up the VS Code in your computer for Python language, Python programming language. So let's start on the laptop screen. So now we are install our Python in your laptop. So first open your browser. Uh, then research the python.org in your browser. After that you can see this dashboard and download Python, this version Python 3.12.1 version. Download this version. After then download this, you can open your file and just wait a second. After then install. Now you make sure see this add python dot, it's important. After then install. Now installing Python in your computer. Just wait a minute, just wait a second, complete this. After then setup was successful, close this and download now open your VS Studio Code and make your new folder. Make sure your new folder name is Python and make new file main.py. Print hello words. This is our first Python course. Print hello world from Python. Now see this dashboard and learn about this. If you want to see your code, Python main, first write Python, then write your folder file name main.pg, then print. After then, if you have not downloaded your Python, make sure to download Python in your VS Code. I have also download this version, so I have an install option. If you have not, you make sure download this Python's version. That is very important if you run your Python code. Because I have also this is download Python, so I have an install option. If you have not, you install this. And after that I read this all the option. It's very important, read this all option to how you can install and what work the Python. After then if you have a note, you can run this option. If you have a download code runner, first download the code. If you have a note, this you do not run. So first the write on code runner, that is very important, the first option. I have also downloaded this also, so I have an install option. If you have a note, you can install this. After this you can run easily your Python code. So this is our class to install Python and the install VS Code. I hope this video is very helpful for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Keep